In today's video, I'll be explaining how you can make money on Amazon. This will be a step-by-step tutorial for complete beginners, so make sure you pay close attention throughout the entire video. I will be going over 3 different ways you can sell products on Amazon and highlighting the one that will make you the most money, so make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. Before we get into this video about how to make money with Amazon, be sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation for making money as a complete beginner. This is how I was able to quit my job and work for myself full time. I now make way more money than my old job. I can work wherever I want in the world and I can be my own boss. So be sure to check out the link in the description to potentially able to do this yourself. Now let's get back into the video. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm sure you've shopped on Amazon before, or at least heard of it before. But what you might not know is that every time you purchase a product on Amazon, you are purchasing it from a third-party seller. So let me give you an example. Let's say you are buying cups on Amazon. You search for cups on Amazon and you see dozens of different options for cups. You click on one you like, you put how many you want, and then you click buy. When you buy those cups, someone else on the other end made money from your purchase. That person is also known as a third-party seller on Amazon, and literally anyone can be a third-party seller, including you. So you or anyone else can post products on Amazon and make money every time someone purchases your products on Amazon. So you aren't the one creating these cups or any other products yourself. How it works is you will get in contact with a manufacturer that is already producing and creating the products for you to sell. These manufacturers are also known as private label manufacturers. So if you were to go on a website called Alibaba.com and search for cups, you will find several different companies that make cups for very cheap. This is a website where you would be purchasing inventory from them and selling that product for more money on Amazon. That's essentially all you're doing. I'll give you another example. Let's say you want to sell iPhone cases. What you would do is you would search for iPhone case manufacturers in Google, contact one of them, purchase a bunch of iPhone cases in bulk, and then rebrand them to your own brand where you then have your very own iPhone case business. That's exactly how Amazon FBA works. So now I want to break this down for you in a step-by-step process. The first step is that you need to find a product to sell. When looking for a product, there are essentially 3 different types of products you can sell on Amazon. The first product I'll explain is an arbitrage product. An arbitrage product is the ability to buy a product in a supermarket near you and then resell it on Amazon for a profit. Here is an example of an online arbitrage product. I can purchase this pack of candles from Walmart for this price and resell it on Amazon for this much money, giving me a decent profit. The second product I can sell on Amazon is a wholesale product. Here is an example of a wholesale product. This plate sells for this much money. If I were to sell this plate in a pack of 6 on Amazon, I could make this much profit. And now the third type of product you can sell is a private label product. This is when you go on websites like Alibaba and rebrand the products you buy with your logo. So after understanding the 3 types, it's good to understand that the main concern with this step is knowing what type of product. The biggest mistake I've noticed people make is that they will find a product that is laying around their house that they assume can be successfully sold on Amazon without having any data or evidence to back that up. They will think that because it's a practical, common item that most people use, it will be successfully sold on Amazon. That's the wrong way to think and strategize for this business model. So in order to know if the product you choose will be sold, you want to do what's known as market research. This is standard procedure for any business because you want to know what the customer will want. You want to know the size of the market. You want to know what people are looking for, etc. Doing this type of research will enable you to successfully launch a product that is welcomed and desired by your customers. One thing you want to look at as soon as you find a product you might want to sell on Amazon is the BSR, which stands for the best sellers rank. You can find that when looking at the product information right down here. What I've noticed in my personal experience is that typically the best items fall below 100,000 BSR. The product sells more when the BSR is lower. everywhere, so looking at the BSR of a product is the first thing you want to look at. Something else you can do is you can use a tool called Viral Launch to do your own market research. Using this tool will save you so much time and energy when doing this type of research and save you from a bunch of headaches as well. Because when using this tool, you will be able to see a wide variety of different functions. The first thing you want to look at are the profit margins of your product. What I would consider to be a good profit margin is being able to make at least 30% more than you've spent. In other words, you want to make a 30% return on your investment. So I'll give you an example using an ROI calculation. Let's say you are spending $5 on a product. That means you will want at least a 30% return on that $5 investment. So in order to calculate that, you would want to take 30% of $5, which would be $1.50, plus $5, which would then equal $6.50 total. The second thing is that you can see how many people per month are searching for this product on Amazon. This is a very important metric because the more people that are shopping on Amazon for this product, the better. But just because there is a large demand for a given product doesn't mean you should do it, because there could also be a great deal of competition in the market. So you can find a product with medium to high demand, but with low competition. That's where you want to view the review column, because at the end of the day, if everyone has a bunch of different reviews, you will not want to go after that product. You will want to release or launch a product where your competitors have a low amount of reviews. You will also want to launch a product that is simple and easy to learn how to use and is small and doesn't weigh a lot to avoid spending a lot on shipping. You want to keep these things in mind just in case someone can't figure out how to use the product and will then return it. And if they do return it, it won't cost very much because it doesn't weigh a lot. And even worse, they could give a bad review. These are the factors that you want to consider. You also want to avoid launching a product that's seasonal, like skis or a Christmas tree. If you are unsure as to whether a product you found is a seasonal product or not, you can look it up on Google Trends and look at the graph to see if it has a larger spike during a certain time of year. You want to be able to earn money all year long. You want to sell something that is stable and isn't hard to use and is something they will want or need to use for the rest of their lives. So that covers step 1.
Before I show you step 2, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money online for complete beginners.
Step 2 will be sourcing. So the best country for you to look for a manufacturer is in China. It has super cheap labor and pretty good quality products. You can use this website, which is extremely common, called Alibaba, to find these manufacturers. And I'm sure you might be skeptical about just sending a bunch of money to purchase a bunch of products and worry that you might just lose all your money online if something went wrong. But there's no need to worry. You can use an inspection agency in China where they will literally go to the factory themselves to complete an audit, look at your product, and make sure it's not damaged and works perfectly well before you actually pay for the product. That's the method you can use to mitigate that risk I just mentioned. So again, you just go on Alibaba, search for whatever product you are selling, contact a manufacturer of your choosing, request samples of the product, review the price, start negotiating with them, try to get the best price possible, and then place your order. You want to put down a 30% deposit first, and then you hire an inspection agency to ensure that the whole process is done correctly and properly. And once the inspection agency reviews everything and approves it, that's when you will send them the rest of the money. Now your product is ready to go in China. And here's the best part. The factory that produced your products for you will send them directly to Amazon's warehouses. This means that you will never have to order your products to your house and then send them slowly out to customers who buy them. They will just go straight to Amazon's warehouses to be stored and ready to be shipped out when someone purchases one. This is where the term Amazon FBA comes in. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So once everything is sent to Amazon's warehouses, you will then create an online store on Amazon's website. This will be your own online Amazon store where you can create listings like selling cups or whatever. You can sell whatever products you want and however many products you want. So I'll just continue using cups as an example. What you would do is take some photos of the cups you're selling, write a good description, a nice title, list the price, and then from there, your listing will be posted on Amazon. And since your products are actually inside of Amazon's warehouses, you can qualify for the Prime badge. Having that badge is very valuable because people will then be able to order the product in 1 or 2 days. However, Amazon will charge you a referral fee of somewhere typically between 8 to 15% of your selling price, and they will also charge you a fulfillment fee which includes shipping and other stuff. So let's say you sell your cups for $10. Amazon will get about $3, which is 30%, and your cups might cost $1 to $2 when you bought them on Alibaba. And shipping from China to Amazon might cost like another $1. So that will then leave you with the rest of the money, which will be your net profit. That's how much money you will make for every cup sold. So let's say you sell 20 cups a day and make $4 per cup. You will profit $80 a day by selling cups without doing very much work at all. One thing to keep in mind when you start to make money on Amazon is to not take any money out. Reinvest all the money you've earned back into your Amazon business to buy more products and make more sales. This way, you can scale and grow your business and make more money over time. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.